हाय अमृता.
ओ वीडियो ले रहे हो?
हाँ.
अच्छा.
How are you?
I'm good, Sagar.
Today is the end of the World Cup, and we are
The
going
end of
to
the
the
world. I said no, that's not happening.
and we are going to the closing ceremony. And what a electric vibe we have in Goa right now. Yeah.
Crazy. You can just show that.
Yeah, we are reaching there. We are right now from our room going towards the closing ceremony. And guys, look at this. It's such a beautiful place to stay. We stayed here for 26 days, Amruta, and I think it was really nice.
Yeah, I think the whole resort is beautiful. I want to come back over here even without a tournament sometime. And
And look at this. Javokir Sindaro has won, Wei is second, Esipenko third. But look at what the organizer.
See.
This is the entire setup for the party. And these are the people who have served us for all these days. You know, they've done an incredible job. And here is where the closing ceremony is. Look at the number of items, the food. It's like a wedding. In fact, even bigger than a wedding that they have made. All these arrangements. So after the closing ceremony is done, everyone will come here for the party. There's going to be music that will happen there, and there will also be very cool. Look at this, it's so beautiful. The entire swimming pool has been converted into such an amazing thing. So I'm going to give you a tour of all the food that is there here. So you can start here. It has hot water, black coffee with sugar, without sugar, ready-made coffee without sugar, ready-made tea without sugar. Then you have the plates here. You have the salads here. So you have cucumber salad, pineapple salad. You have the raw mango. Ooh, I'm going to eat that for sure. Stuffed chili. And we have sana, tenli pickle, pav. Live station with yerle rava fry. I think that's a fish here. There's a kingfish rava fried, mackerel. Oh my god, so many fishes here. Chonak masala fried, mushroom chili fry, a veg dish here. And then we have sol kadhi here, which is a very famous drink in Goa. Tambdi bhaji here. I don't think it's still. Oh, there is already there inside. Then you have pineapple sansav. Then you have dal varan. Wow. And then you have ukdem sit. And then you have here prawns curry. Wow. And we have chicken zakuti. Okay, that's Goan non-vegetarian food here. Then you have a live counter of pizza. Mini pizzas are going to be created here. And then we have here live counter vegetarian. We have Puran Poli. We have Gujarati Kadi. Oh my god, crazy. We have Gujarati Khichdi. We also have Methi Muthia Matar. क्या बात है? Kher Sangri.
Rajasthani.
Wow. And Sahaj bhai, it's going on. हाँ, I'm just shooting here. जल्दी जाओ. And you have हरे बादल की सब्जी. भाई कितना बनाया है? ये तो एक शादी से भी ज़्यादा है. जलेबी. Wow. Okay. And then moving on, we have steamed rice here for everyone. There is dal maharani here. And you have kurdura palak chana paneer. Spanak kopita, like looks like samosa. Then you have cannelloni pasta. Ooh, ये सही लग रहा है. Creamy pomodoro sauce. Tangine vegetables and couscous. And then you have burnt garlic vegetable noodles. Okay, it's a never-ending menu. You have a Moroccan lamb stew. And then you have chicken rezela. You have chicken in Hunan sauce, mutton rogan josh, and I have to go back there. There's more stuff here. So we have, I think, the chaat counter. We have the live chaat counter, pani puri, samosa chaat. And look at this. Look at the colors. Look at the colors here. You have the mango chutney, til chutney, dahi lasuni. Oh bhai, all kinds of different chutneys here. And salad is here. Look at this, roti, naan, everything hot. Live counter, kasuri paneer and tandoori vegetables. Wow. And we have a fish here, mahi fish tikka. And then we have Peshawari chicken here and Nestle chicken tikka. Sir, यहाँ पे क्या बनेगा? Oh, tandoori chicken. And then we have another live counter, live vegetable steamed dumpling and gyoza chicken steam. Bhai, amazing. And we have a grilled fish with orange salsa sauce here. Sir, इतना खाना एक शादी में भी नहीं होता है, उससे ज़्यादा है ना? It's more than a marriage.
सबसे ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा. शादी में भी इतना नहीं होता है.
It's all like you have left nothing.
80% buffet है, not for 100%.
80%. But it,
बहुत ज़्यादा है मेरे से.
कोई आदमी पूरा कुछ सब नहीं खा सकता है. You have to choose. And then we go here. Finally, you have the Burmese khause vegetable soup. And then you have multi-grain wheat bread, all different types of wheat breads. Oh my god, look at the types of breads that are there. It's insane. And now coming to this section, which is a chocolate, molded chocolate fountain is here. So you can just dip all of these things inside the fountain. You have strawberries here and so many different things. Oh my goodness. And then you have all these different types of desserts. It's the most incredible buffet I have seen. I have been to so many different places, and look at this classic opera cake. And you have a, what is this, poached pears in red wine. Oh my god, there's also red wine here. Lemon posset, bosbusa. And then you have here mohan thal and all these different types of, you have kala jamun. And then you have raspberry pistachio. Oh my god, if I start reading, I mean, this dessert section is just never ending. And then you have cut fruits here, all different kinds of fruits. And as they say in Resort Rio, luxury meets genius. And now we have different salads here. Look at this. Different pickles. And you have all different types of salads here. And look at the number of people who are going to work here for tonight. It's amazing, this entire thing. They're excited. It's the final dinner, the closing dinner, and I think the organizers have done an incredible job here for for all the people who are there. And I hope that everyone has a wonderful time. So right now I'm going from here. As you can see, this is where people will sit and enjoy the performances. You have a big chessboard there also here that is placed. So I'm going to the closing ceremony right now here. So if I go from here, I can just go straight on. And this is the legendary space where you would always have Daniel Dubov. In Resort Rio, Sindaro didn't find the winning move. He became it. Oh, that's such a nice one. And guys, look at the amazing food that was there, you know.
Yes, you already ate. It was so.
He already ate.
How was the dinner? Nice.
Now, I'm going to the closing ceremony now.
Bye.
What an incredible food spread it was there. We are going to go there later to have the dinner. Now going to the closing ceremony. You also won sari for the first time ever in a chess event, I think. Is that correct?
Chess tournament, yeah. Oh, really? Yes.
Wow, that's amazing, right?
Actually, yeah. Thanks to I had seconds from our Chessbiz India team.
Yeah, our entire Chessbiz India team has come here because Chessbiz India is completing 10 years and now they are entering into the venue of the FIDE World Cup. And this is the place from where you can enter in. And let's go from here. And this is the foyer area where you had the merch and the different stalls that were there put up.
I've given a big order of melted joy chocolates.
Oh,
to Nayan.
and we have Harshit Bhai, Sahej Bhai and Sahil Bhai. Where are you guys going?
We're just going to get some food.
Buy the food, not some. You have to go with full empty stomach. It's the most insane.
I have not had anything to eat.
Bhai, there is, I can tell you, it's the biggest buffet spread you will find in your life.
Really?
It's so big.
See us three run like the Flash now. To the
I'm like, please pace yourself well.
Do you remember the 3 Idiots movie? उसमें डालते जाते
So I would love if you guys start now, and when I finish the closing and come, you are still eating.
we can join you there.
Okay guys, all the best.
See you.
Guys, Harshit Bhai, Sahil, Sahej going in for the dinner and now coming in to the closing ceremony. Guys, follow the closing ceremony on Chessbiz India. It's live, but for now, bye bye from here.